are not like, they don't give customer service. It's like transactional. It's like you going to the gas station to buy gas. That's what. Hey guys, so it's real Jamaican Foodies on the scene, and I'm walking, and I thought I could have a little chit chat with you, but there are a lot of vehicles passing by, and I'm not sure if you'll hear me clearly. However, I'm going to make a quick stop at one of those restaurants that was commented on my last video. All right, so you're gonna see it all. Like, these are like certain things that we do, like spending some quality time with yourself. So right now I'm taking a walk. I could have took a taxi, but I wanted to walk, you know, and just enjoy nature. Yeah, so see you at the restaurant that I'm going to stop. Right now we're on the HipStrip. Yeah, that's the place that I am, and yeah, it's a chill spot. It's known for the chill spot in Mobe, the famous Bottom Road / HipStrip. And we're coming up to the park, famously known for the Lovers Park, and then we have One Man Beach. Don't ask me why them name it One Man Beach, and there's always a lot of persons over there playing football and chilling. Right now there are persons on the beach as we speak. Okay, so we have a pharmacy here. Dun, dun, dun. Hopefully the park is open, so that way I can actually walk through the park and not walk all the way around, because that's going to be tiring, right? Lovers Park. I think they have a name for it. It's called Old Hospital Park. Yeah. Then we have over here Rehab, and I am not sure about that restaurant. I've never really been there, but I know Rehab is famous. Well, famous back in my days. Rehab is not what it is like what it was then. Am I making sense? Is that speech correct? So this is the Lovers Park, and seeing that we have the pandemic and it's closed off, the grass is green, it's growing back. Normally it look dry out, you know, but yeah, but my camera is steady enough. I've known this step from I was a child. I know that they change it sometimes, but it has been here for a very long time, and I tell no lie, I remember some of them were missing, so they change it frequently. We have over here, once was Wexford Hotel. Not sure what it's turning into now, but it's refurbishing. Yeah, so I'm just giving you a little tour while I stop at the restaurant. Hey Nikki! Hey! Oh, let's start. I was planning to eat out here, but I think I'm gonna just order and do a little walk on the HipStrip so you guys can hear all about it. So this is a procedure here. So I'm at the door and I'm gonna put on my mask. Can you see my reflection? Because I have to do that before I go in. Say remember to wear your mask. So We're going inside. Hello. Okay. So, let's read their menu, guys. Alright, Sudine, we see your number one, and number one is Whopper. Whopper with cheese. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me because I have the mask on, and then there's this fan. So that's what we're having. I'm waiting for someone to come and take my order, but for some restaurants or some places that you go, they are a bit weird when they see somebody with a camera. They don't want to come over, but I'm still waiting. Just to say that Burger King or KFC or restaurants like that are not like, they don't give customer service. It's like transactional. It's like you going to the gas station to buy gas. That's what Burger King is like. I'm videoing myself. I'm not videoing anyone. Okay. It's on me. Yes, I look on what I was going to have.
I'm just asking if you're videoing the menu board.
I looked at number one. Okay.
You are okay anyway?
I want to place an order.
Yeah, but she don't want to video.
I'm not videoing her. Okay. Alright guys, so you see that? As I said, when you come to certain restaurants, it's a bit like, don't video me. I want a number one and grape. Do you have portion meal? Could I have a portion meal, please? The total is? Okay, so guys, like $10 or $1,000 can get you a burger. Wonder if it's the same in the US or over the world. You can comment. You can comment and let me know if burger is $10 where you're at. Well, number one. Or you could say, depending on the rate, it would be about $9. Yes. So, yes. Anyways, I knew the experience was like this for Burger King. So, Burger King and KFC and restaurants like that would be my last stop in going to restaurants. I think it's here. And my meal is ready. Not sure if I'm eating a cold meal or a hot meal, but we'll find out. It's pretty bad meal. So I got my meal and we're gonna walk. So guys, you cannot be a local and vlog in Jamaica. They automatically start look at you weird. Yeah, so I'm gonna hurry up walk, go down to on dead end. They call down there so dead end. I'm gonna walk down there and hopefully I can sit and hopefully I can sit and have my meal. So we're passing Island Strains down here. Can get some cannabis legal, you know. And then, you know, on the HipStrip you have several different shops. The tourists, this is a tourist area where they come and they shop. They normally say this is a safe area for the tourists because they normally have like securities down here to monitor. Yeah, ensure that we have little bit of motels, or you know, I say you call them, because if them are a big hotel, them are motels, right? You have some of those on the HipStrip. I believe that one there, that big one, is the, I'm not sure what its name, the correct name, but you can enter from the bottom and you can enter from the top, which is very cool. Yeah, but yeah, this is the HipStrip and I'm walking on the HipStrip. A lot of persons looking at me like, why is this girl walking with a camera and talking to herself? But yeah, they go on, they go down So let me hurry up. Let me see if I can walk a bit faster, because I don't want to eat the burger whole. Right? All right, guys. So I'm almost. I can't tell you that I'm going to walk back because I feel real tired right now. Real tired. Feel like I lose a couple pounds. And I'm finally at the Decameron, the famous Decameron. I believe it had another name back in the back then, but yeah, Decameron. And this madman, I believe this madman is a very expensive madman because he's always here on the HipStrip. Basta live life. Tourists every day. Oh, and you have the famous resort. You know, the HipStrip have a lot of hotels. We can't share. Stress right out with the bad there. Anyways, we have the Mustovi's Resort. Like, yeah, I own that. I have shares in it, rather. I don't own it. You know? Oh, my God. But I'm here. You can't imagine when I myself trying to eat my burger, all people them go to look at me. Jaja. That's a really nice scent. You know what I always like about some hotels? When they go to a hotel and them have them own little spice fragrance, it make you feel like they're one hotel. I always like that about certain hotels because not every hotel have it. It just make you feel like, oh, I'm not at home anymore, but I'm now checked in. You know? Sorry. Hi. So we have the tennis court over there. Yes, Jamaica have a tennis court. Mobay have a tennis court. Did I just say Jamaica? Yes, Mobay have a tennis court. Yeah. So we play tennis at Jamaica. Yeah. And we have a lot of hotels on the HipStrip, I have to say. Yeah, but let me just stop them different local. Alright, guys. So I have the burger. And this is the number one. What's in it is beef, lettuce, tomato, pickle, cheese, and mayo. That's all that it's in there. Yep. And you have the fries. Having the fries with the mayo is probably my favorite thing ever. Like, you. Anyways. This, my friend, it's all the goodness. And let me show you the goodness. If you don't do this when you're having your fries, then you are missing out. Guys, you ever plan something like that, how something is going to look, then in your head it don't really turn out so? I thought I planned this out in my head and it looked good in my head. They come out here, come sit down. Well, at least I can say that it's better. It's better than, yeah. So I'm going into the burger now. And yeah, what can go wrong with a burger? Many may say, or many may ask. A lot. Alright. I'm taking my first bite. So I'm taking my first bite, guys. Hey Guys, so it's Real Jamaican Foodies again with another review. So Sudeen sent me to Burger King with a number one, so that's what I went and I have, and I'm through with it. So first of all, I just have to say that I am not really a Burger King fan. I was once, like me, I did big fan of Burger King, and number 3 was always my favorite. Still is the only thing I get when I go, or sometime I'll have the fish sandwich, but it's always salty. But that's not it today. Today we're talking about number 1 and what was awesome about number 1 for me. I think it was a bit bland, because the reason why I like number 3 is because you have the bacon and you have a lot of things coming, the double Whopper. So but this number 1 was just, for me, it was a bit bland. It was there wasn't anything yet. There's nothing to say that Burger King is just Burger King, right? It's just something you pick up when you're on the go, or say you're not go cook. As I said, I kind of enjoy eating my fries and my ketchup and my mayo more than me eat the burger at all times. Not change about that. That always remains the same. So I don't know what I'm supposed to say about the burger, but Sudeen, I don't know what you like about number 1, but I had it and it is an okay burger. Can I say it's an okay burger? It is an okay burger, right? Guys, so let me know in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite meal at that restaurant? And what I'll do is I'll go to that restaurant and have that same exact meal and tell you what I like about that. Well, what I like about it, if we have the same taste. So then what I say? I'm looking forward to the next restaurant where I'll be going. So guys, ensure you comment. It's Real Jamaican Foodie on the scene, you know what I mean? Ensure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can know when we upload another video. I'm out. Hey guys, Jamaica is beautiful. The world is beautiful. And don't follow me. I'm just here getting all emotional about the beauty of our little land. And before I get takeaway, somebody take me away. I believe it soon. I should pack up and go before I get takeaway, isn't it? But this is amazing. Life is amazing, guys. Life is indeed amazing. So guys, ensure you like this video, you share it with your friends, and ensure you subscribe. And don't forget to tell me what's your favorite restaurant and what's your favorite meal at that restaurant. Do you see that crab, guys? Do you see the crab? Bless up. Do you see him?